post 13 Moka 7.5 million Zubare and
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
post 13 Moka 7.5 million Zubare and tell radio so na TV so nka say Kromfuo sabe to light na ma yes say bobo ka foforo nya no kre Kromfuo bia nto twa hwe po na ye 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 medical Canada 13 posts and a poll no say Zuba NDC ba power na Zuba be CEO NPP bridgeway no musisi poll no dada etu hwe aba omia posters na stone aba omia posters ene asonso bo achi posters na da so bobo ho etu ba ka chia me say wo say 7.5 billion
kania na omoka wansemi if I wohwim me do beje no so na kania ni nyina dum no me yam hyem na me bufuye because my book 750,000 was an kania no
750,000
to bring it back
750,000
na ndu bo so me mianza na ni paboni fo asakoto na de nyina sa dum ena nya se nyo no ma papa na ya nto na ye de ye yo eye ni paboni fo e wo krom cables na hyehyɛ mu o ya
post 13 pound street light boost no o say 7.5 billion na Kromfuo na abetutu anya no kra Zuba bia ti am say anya no kra bra fa de nkyerɛw po bia wa ha bia no ya lock no po bia wa ha bia ya lock no o hwe ase ha ya lock no a po bia ni wa ya twa ho po bia su bia ni wa ya twa ho a se o hwe ye mie o se ba bi se no na ka ba ga sa Kromfuo na ba bie a nya ye mie eti po na ede na ya Kromfuo betwa wo ya eti ahe fa na Zuba keme 5 billion and then no say ya Kromfuo Mr. Zuba Kromfuo bia no wa betwa light bia either say and Kromfuo na di sika na mo de wo ka say 7.5 billion no o ma fa sika na ma ya adwuma no because po bia wa ha bia no enya NDC na si ye enya obae na abesisi po no yesi po ni dada o dia no say light na ne wires bia wo change no ana obo ka 7.5 billion dia tia enami ya video we say light na ena dum ha nyina no wo ho a na ani aso kakra na dum na ani aso na dum ano tia say Kromfuo na be ya adwuma wa ha no na anya adwuma ni ye etinya obi Mahama to twa wo ya bia me aya na me nam da bia bridge we ye the watch previous videos tete ye bridge wa akufo adu we bia no meka ye mie ba bia boto bom ni na bobom eti na Kromfuo ne fa ebe wie wires ana obe wie light Kromfuo na Zuba wo kase wa mo 7.5 ya na wa bo ho ka no omo na o ma anya adwuma ni ye nti san Kromfuo kro no hwehwe omo na omo be fese because kwa Ghana ha ba bia say post 13 me say post esi ya no esi bridge we so no eye maako 13 o mo ka 7.5 billion adai Zuba adai ani adum chadua asori na e wa akra Kumasi road no udru street light egu okom more than 200 ani obo ka say me say Zuba say so osi wo ya adwuma na Kromfuo no de adwuma no show mo say osi wo mo sika so mo nya adwuma no o mu so mo say atafo bridge no o ma kire ba bi o ma twetwa wo esnafa to Kromfuo nam so da bia o ade sa isi obi ne ode ne ma na ekoi so obi hwe omo na omo ye omo boni sisi a mami pa che won ye de esum na omo nam na omo kosa no Kromfuo nam so sa daily day out day in it is obi person odi obi boni obetima di ni boni ti de yesre zuba ne say 7.5 billion no oni engineers na omo be ye adwuma ne nkasa na ba bia sika kom tom de be ye adwuma omo me fese ne back because me Ghana need here me ti kumasi ya de me tusu say sika bi afa ba bi obi afa 7.5 billion ye post 13 bi e wa ha
Odi be man Kromfuo unfa ma assembly unfa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for unfa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso ton so na baby shi hey who ya dio unkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro esa wo chapad saka wide odi se pad na na be ye bibia mo ntu tu ehwan form omo nya adwuma no odi be man Kromfuo unfa ma assembly unfa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for unfa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso ton so na baby shi hey who ya dio unkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro esa wo chapad saka wide odi se pad na na be ye bibia mo ntu tukoso no wakisin nwe wo chire bia ngasa se wasa akoto alumi ababi na du train na okoto ye no ni de okwafa baaye the same thing wasa akoto alumi wasa akoto kafrugban asa abakro mu ha bi adenti na wo tete ho sa wono wa na kwa challenge train na masa akoto no Minister of Highways and then your friend say train and one makoto aba no train dey someone twitwa na alumi as soon as possible na monton mu be hu now then dey asema. Is it that is incompetency or what? What flighting mu na why say unku awo ba ye seko
esese gomu afọ to abama ho na wo ba be ye MP na wo ba be di gomu afọ so wo na wutime babontin be criticize nia government bi aye wonim se nia government ya ye yi e benefit your mind no much more than wo government na wo praise no oponi hia chipo oponi hia chie wo captain smart ne si wunya MP a wo bedi ade na wo MP mu se nye sika na wo ba be pa wo die pa na obetumi a contribute dia ma man Ghana dia na captain smart obetumi a contribute ade ama gomu afo obi onu timi babontin beka se NPP bete na so anye hwe obi a onu wa babontin antime me president NPP se NPP ba amambuami odin hihye bi odin nyoma bi se na odi gu akwam ma ne bo man Ghana wonim papa so wakata wani ka bone no okra oti unya MP obedi na napo category eno category eyepe insu atona asobi a wo so pese wo ye MP obi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho insu atona yiri nkofo na asobi a wo so wo dwene man Ghana ho be gina wo platform so aka tena president John Mani Mahama se insu ato enti ye na ye bibi fa ho no wo gina
Abusia, ne obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no. NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 20 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem hunu won di atem no. Omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no ni nyansa bi. Na o ka no kra no nti wo mutie no. Omo bre Ghana for na o mutie Captain Smart no. Omo no omo bre. Now you see about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually woman kwa. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasi asema Captain Smart kwatena TV so e kan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya asem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama NPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do NPP fo ma o mo.
Zene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we ya. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, the active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na person here number of hospitals in person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say here hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan say saying na no me nyina be ya. This can go and was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for Kromfuo. Name my comfort to my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals, and most of my Kromfuo. I comfort my facilitator, me on the fund, free seniors, most of my Kromfuo. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Now, find a tables net and after the Moki Kaka. Why are they shouting? Ubian Kanum to Nankono. I saw for no moon common into with the greatest of respect, among common into them queen in a chief imam for the common to the queen in a politicians need come on to queen now. Market women on common to queen now. Oh, be anchored and into queen in 2020 they will know the way forward. Yet a crime will be so on no bar or no the credit scoring system, but I must open conquering it. Nancy Bibi Nina Casa said, ye be a getting invest getting. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. And yes, same cranny. Obi ma credit scoring system also open getting. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most open getting. Is any one day? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you're telling you papa, and I feel I'm watching them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy. Digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye okrom ha ya e de John Dramani Mahama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de nya kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government etimi
Say dear ko ye kwade e menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about Council of State member voter region. Na me say films Remona Chapa ya happiness say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwa any letter now was say Council of State member no wo ye former staff emanam one. Which is never true.
Onya juma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a nam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post. Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.